In this video, we'll install Nginx on our DigitalOcean cloud server. We'll continue from where we left off in the previous video, and I'm going to go straight to the terminal and I'll type sudo apt get update. Once this is done, let's clear out the screen by typing clear, and let's install Nginx by typing sudo apt get install Nginx. That's sudo apt-get install Nginx. Press enter, and when prompted, type Y and press enter again. And Nginx is installed. Now that wasn't too difficult, was it? Let's start our Nginx server by typing sudo service nginx start and press enter. Let's go back to our browser and access our server's IP without any specific port mentioned. This will go straight to the default HTTP port 80 being served by Nginx now. And you'll see this welcome page which indicates that our server has been installed and is running perfectly.